Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Everything. Friends, today I will discuss about Robert Frost as a nature poet. So let it start. Robert Frost was born on 1874. He was the leading modern American poet of nature and rural life. He found beauty and meaning in commonplace objects such as a dropping beech tree and an old stone wall, and drew universal significance from the experiences of a farmer or a country boy. Most of his poems have a New England setting and deal with the theme of man's relationship to nature. The influence of nature in Robert Frost's works creates a palette to paint a picture filled with symbolism for the reader to interpret. In the analysis of Robert Frost, the road not taken, tree at my window, two trumps in the mud, time, and stopping by the woods on a snowy evening, we can pick out specific example to illustrate Frost's overall use of nature. The treatment of nature in his poems is not merely related to the outward beauty of the various facts of nature but to reveal a deeper message through it. So, friends, I hope you will understand about Robert Frost as a nature poet. Thank you, all of you.